I came today because there is a huge emergency, and I went on TV and on internet to find out about it because 24,000 people died yesterday.
Today I bring a work about the genocide in Rwanda and how the newspapers in Italian news talk about it. It was absolutely not a clue on the Italian news. And then how this emergency could be a thermometer for emergency room.
My emergency today is about the earthquake in Aquila, and specific about the journalists and newspaper, how they are invading the camp and using the image of the camp and of these people.
My emergency is about experimentation of weapons by Israel army, and who is financing these weapons.
I have an emergency for the victim of terremotus of Abruzzo, and today I make a big plotter. 480580 is the number of SMS. Can you with your cellular send €1 for the victims of Abruzzo?
Okay. The television, not just Italian television, make a big speculation about the natural catastrophe. So we must make the difference and to understand what is better to show in the television and what is better to forget, for don't give just impression and to sensibility wrong.
Your people's movements on the internet can be traced, and it's illegal, and advertisers, they want to do that in the UK, and it's illegal and no action has been taken yet about it. So I'm going to have that article and other articles, and then you put your finger stamp when you read it, because it's a way to trace it.
My emergency today is to talk about the Pope and the fact that he's always talking about political and social thing, and it's an ingerency on social life.
My emergency today is the earthquake in Abruzzo, and I'm here after having been there, and my media is photography, and I'm very worried about people and houses. There are no more houses there.
My emergency today is about the disaster of L'Aquila, and the constructors have used illegal materials, and this is unbelievable for us.
Because today the emergency is the drug, about the drug. How arrive the drug in Naples. I read the news in the newspaper, and many seminar boss, they changed the drug and place another place about the wedding suit.
The news are coming from Colombia today, where so easy, in an easy way, they are killing thousands of people with toxic rain from the fields of coca. And I was wondering if this is the only way to stop the fields of coca in Colombia. We will see, but I think that is not the proper way to kill so many thousands of people.
I come today because the Afghan government recently voted a new law against the human rights and the women's rights in Afghanistan. And this is a very emergency for me as a woman. Oh my God.
Today we want to address the wall that has been installed at the entrance, one of the potential 3 entrances to the emergency room.
Praticamente terremoto in Abruzzo, e la vera emergenza in realtà è la casa. La casa in Italia è sempre costruita male da tanti anni, dal dopoguerra, e non c'è più la capacità di costruire come nell'antichità.
Terremoto, earthquake, tremblement de terre, de terre qu'il y a, il ne faut pas qu'il y ait, et il arrive où il ne doit pas être.
I came to the emergency room today because yesterday in Somalia the government voted to create against Sharia law, which means that the stoning of women as the death penalty for adultery will continue.
Crimine organizzato. Quello che vedi non è sempre quello che vedi e quello che senti non è sempre reale.
The crime organizer, the drug and the power of the criminality.
Today is today, now, before it's too late. Because today is today now, before it's too late. Because today is today